hello, Spyder Wayne here, and it is the morning of Monday, September 15th, and I'm headed to Buffalo. Beautiful morning. It's a little chilly. It's in the low 50s, but it's gonna hit 70 today, so I'm gonna have a good day. Anyhow, oh, that car was about to cross into my lane. Phew. Anyway, I'm heading to meet a fellow Wayne, that's JARVISBIKER. He's riding down from Jarvis, Ontario. All right. They're not here yet. I wanted to get here a little earlier. I think the last time we met here, he beat me, and he comes from further away. Pretty soon you're going to have to get a visa. You're down here so much.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Linda, Wayne, Linda.
I've heard your name for years.
Yes, and you. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Now it's going to be a nice day, and I just got a text from Jody a few minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to take a picture.
Oh,
it's on timer. Here we go. 2-1.
That's a good one.
And I said the word video, and my just went to radio.
Yeah. Mine did too.
Okay, here we go. Oh. it was my other left. From Buffalo, New York, we ride south for about 80 miles into the southern tier of western New York. We are headed to our brunch destination in Portville, New York, which is just a few miles north of the Pennsylvania state line. This is the Great Lakes Cheese Factory in Fanklinville, New York. They just recently got fined $475,000 by NYSDEC, the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, for the illegal discharge of wastewater due to a complete failure of their treatment system, killing all fish and wildlife in the Eschua Creek. Yep, this is the prettiest restaurant entrance I've ever been to. Look at that thing. Awesome. Everything's mint. Chrome. Yeah. Oh, you do have reverse. Haha. Fred Flintstone style. The ride today was the third time riding with JARVISBIKER to Sprague's Maple Farms, where they make their own genuine maple syrup right there in-house. The magnificent dining room almost feels like I'm at Eric's or Kraken's Garage Casa de Redneck. And my brunch this day was simply pancakes with butter and maple syrup, thick juicy sausage patties, and eggs over easy. About 10 or 15 minutes after we left Sprague's, on our way back to Buffalo, we didn't expect to witness this. Oh, the frame dragged on the side of that thing. He didn't want us wait for the next light. When the bottom of the right side of that trailer tilted enough to scrape the pavement, and with the squeal of the tires, I thought he just might tip over. That was dangerous. In this next small town, we passed this guy riding his 1-horsepower buggy. He sure looked interested in what I was riding. Hi-yo, Silver. I was a tiny wee bit late warning Jarvis Biker behind me. Whoops.
Oh, I'm stopping.
But better late than never. So here we are getting close to Buffalo, coming up to this motorhome, and this young lady found a way to get some wind therapy. And the look on her face, looks like she needed some wind therapy. Anyone who knows or ever ridden with Jarvis Biker knows the pleasure of riding with him, a very skilled rider. And when you see all the electronic gear that he mounts, the multiple cameras and comm units that he uses when he's riding, he's a gadget gizmo tech nerd guru. JB, it's always a pleasure riding with you, sir.
Really good to meet you, Linda. Alrighty, well, thank you for coming down today. Drive safe. See you, Wayne.
And as we ride back into Buffalo, it was time to go our separate ways. I had about 20 miles to go to get home. They took the exit for the Peace Bridge crossing back into Canada, and they had about 70 miles to go to get home.